Welcome to Inspire Together YouTube channel, and I'm your host Moinuddin Bashar. In this video, we will see how to download Microsoft Visual Studio Code or VS Code in Windows 10 operating system. At first, we need to open any browser. Here, as I have already opened the Google Chrome browser, now I will search for VS Code here. And VS Code is a code editor created for debugging and building modern applications. Here, code.visualstudio.com is the official website. Now we will open this website by clicking once on this link. Depending on the operating system from which you are accessing on this website, it will show the download link on the respect of your operating system. And you can also choose the application for this operating system by clicking on this down arrow. And after selecting, when we will click on the download, then it will take us on this page and it will start downloading automatically. And if it don't, then click on this direct download link, then you can download it from here. So this is it for this video. Thanks for watching, and if you like it, then hit the like button, and for more tutorial like this, do subscribe to my channel Inspire Together. Thank you.